Hello, good afternoon. This is Nick Moda from KSI Professional. Today we're going to talk about a little bit of our presentation furniture. KSI Professional makes everything from podiums to lecterns, AV credenzas, server racks. Today we're going to be talking about the ESL-32. It's 32 because it's 32 inches wide. This popular model features a lot of things that most AV installers would like to see, including rack space and computer space below, keyboard drawers, pull-out side drawers for projectors, as well as thoughtful placement of AV cabling that goes all the way through, and electrical requirements as well as fans for ventilation. We can customize the work surface in any which way you want, single step, two-step, multi, turrets, that's compatible with any touch screen or other control devices that are popular in the market. We work with all brands. Something great to know about our products is that we make them out of solid wood veneers in any popular one, as well as any type of laminate, so we can be compatible with any other finishes that you typically find in the architectural environment. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about our products, come visit us at ksiprofessional.com.